5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glen Rock, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
No.
Hazard, 60
Bad.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dallastown, Red Lion, Spry, Brogue, Crossroads, Sunnyburn, Shrewsbury, Glen Rock, Railroad, and Jacobus. This includes Interstate 83 from mile marker 0 to 15. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has a history of producing nickel to quarter-sized hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Oh, double header. There it is. Bad. You may shut up.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harford County in northern Maryland until 6:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cutters, or near Spry, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Havre de Grace, Pilesville, Darlington, Cardiff, Norrisville, Street, Rocks, Scarborough, and Whiteford. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.
Go for triple.
Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the north.